Let me show you how to turn on YouTube comments using your phone. You can enable comments for a single video or for every video on your channel. Start by opening the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. Tap You at the bottom right, then choose View Channel. From here, tap Videos to see all your uploads. If you want to turn on comments for a specific video, tap the three dots next to it and choose Edit. Scroll down to the bottom and select Comments. If comments are currently off, just switch them to on. You can also choose your comments moderation level: none, basic, strict, or hold all comments.